It's June 21st. Had my grad party yesterday, so stayed up a little bit, and now I'm incredibly tired. It's alright though. We are trucking storms in that Great Bend area. My original plan was to head to Dodge City, but now we had an overflow of chasers down there, and the meteorologist said, hey, why don't you head to central Kansas? Which is a good thing because there's a storm up there that's rotating right now. We'll be there, I'd say, in about 30 minutes or so. Stay tuned.
Gotta get up, gotta leave this place. People waste a lifetime for someone else's race. I know this game, baby, it's old news. The break to the top of the line, ain't ever gonna pay their dues, no.
So we just left Great Bend, and we're about 13 miles southwest of Claflin, which is the target right now, is what Cake has told me. And we are looking pretty good so far. We've got trying to get a developing wall cloud out of the storm. We are 2 miles north of Lyons, looking to our northwest right now. Our storm was looking good as we were along Cave 4, and then I had to escape south. But in that meantime, the circulation got rain wrapped, and now the storm's kind of falling apart a little bit. We were headed back to Great Bend, so all of our storms fell apart. Look at this nice shelf cloud we got here. This is like what I live for. Like, look how green these skies look, and this looks real eerie here. Oh my gosh. This thing is absolutely insane right now. Look at that. That is absolutely crazy. We're in Great Bend right now, and there is a lot of wind damage here. They got about 80-mile-per-hour winds. Look at this large tree. I mean, are you kidding me? Trees are littered everywhere in Great Bend right now. It is absolutely insane. We're here in the Walmart in Great Bend. Large trees down that litter this parking lot. All right, we have made it back in Wichita. It is 10:52. We have had quite the day driving from here to Dodge City to Great Bend to Claflin, and then to Lyons, back to Great Bend, down to like the St. John area, back up to Great Bend. Stayed there for about 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours of tracking wind damage and everything. Then we left there, went back to Lyons, down to Hutch, down to Wichita. Jeez, that's a lot of driving. Anyways, had a pretty good day. Got some good video. It's kind of sad to see all that damage, but I think it's all right. We'll see you next time.